Hello and welcome to AtsBay Global's course broadcast. Today, I will explain about our course, Unicorn Healing. Unicorn Healing is a healing modality given to us by the majestic heavenly unicorns. In this modality, you will learn about the 10 unicorn symbols and their uses. You will also learn how to do the step-by-step healing procedure using the unicorn horn. The symbols are used for healing past life karma, healing relationships, removing financial blockages, building career growth, healing fertility issues, healing physical illness, healing emotional traumas, healing marital problems, inner child healing and black magic removal. You will also learn visualization and you will receive the chi ball attunement. You will also receive the unicorn healing horn by Korea. Do not miss the chance to meet your unicorn. Click the link on the description to enroll now and get a special 50% discount.
Unicorns are special creatures that live in a magical world. They look like horses but have a twisty horn on their head. Even though they have strong energy, we can't usually see or hear them because they move faster than sound or light. But some people can feel, see, or dream about them because of their energy. Unicorns love places with good vibes, like the nature, and stay away from bad vibes. They are like smart horses that have learned a lot. Just like we become smarter and better with time, horses can become unicorns. Unicorns have a twisty horn that can send out special energy. This energy can heal or take away bad feelings. Unicorns can change the way the energy moves to help people. They are also like teachers. They want to help us to learn and become better people. They also remind us of the good things we planned to do in our life and help us when things become bad or worse. Unicorns can also help us feel connected to everything and understand that we have a special plan in life. They stand for all the good things like purity, hope, and innocence. Because kids are simple and true, unicorns like to be around them. That is why some kids say that they see unicorns. Unicorns are shy and love calm places, especially the forest. They also like to be around animals. Now, more than ever, unicorns are trying to connect with people because they want to help us and the world. The moon has a special connection with the unicorns. If you like the moon, it is easier to feel the unicorns. Being in the moonlight is magical because unicorns use it to do amazing things. When the moon is full, it's a good time to think about unicorns and to feel their energy. Unicorns can heal not just our body but our soul also. They can make things better, they can make old hurts, pain go away. When they touch our soul, we feel happy and complete. They help us think and feel better. When they send energy to our mind and our heart, we feel so good that we can even get better from being sick. Unicorns like kids and help animals. They also make our younger selves feel better. They give us the energy to do important things. When we are with unicorns, people can see we are happy and they treat us nicely. Now more unicorns are coming to help us. They work with angels and dragons to make the world a better place. Some people have a special connection with unicorns because of where they come from. The moon is becoming more powerful and the unicorns are coming to us through it. So if you love looking at the moon, you might feel closer to the unicorns. Thinking about unicorns can make us feel good and closer to magical places. If you dream about them, it means something special is going to happen to you. Unicorns have good qualities like peace, love, and hope. They come to help when we are ready. They work with angels and animals too. While they have both boy and girl qualities, they are mostly seen as having girl qualities because things like love and kindness are very strong. Unicorns help our dreams come true. Even if we forget our dreams, unicorns remember and help us to find them. Sometimes people don't know about the special things they themselves can do. Unicorns can visit them in their dreams to remind them that you are capable of this, you can do this. When this happens, people change for the better very quickly. One of the best things is to have a unicorn as a special friend.